Have you ever wondered what happens when you don't sleep enough? Perhaps you've pulled an all-nighter to study for an exam or binge-watched your favorite show, sacrificing sleep. But did you know that sleep deprivation can significantly affect your health and well-being? In this video, we will discuss the dangers of sleep deprivation and how it affects your body and mind. Sleep is an essential component of our daily routine. It is a time when our bodies can rest, repair, and rejuvenate. However, many people prioritize work, socializing, and entertainment and oversleep, leading to widespread sleep deprivation. Chronic sleep deprivation occurs when an individual does not get enough sleep, and most adults require between 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to function at their best. The effects of sleep deprivation on cognitive function are profound. Sleep plays a vital role in optimal brain function. When we sleep, our brain processes information, consolidates memories, and rejuvenates. Inadequate sleep leads to difficulty concentrating, making decisions, and solving problems, memory lapses, forgetfulness, and brain fog. The risk of accidents also increases as sleep deprivation impairs an individual's ability to function correctly. For instance, drowsy driving is responsible for over 100,000 accidents annually in the United States. In addition to cognitive function and accidents, sleep deprivation affects our emotional well-being. It may cause irritability, mood swings, anxiety, and depression. Sleep plays a vital role in regulating our emotions and mood, while inadequate sleep can disrupt the process. When we don't get enough sleep, our bodies create fewer cytokines, which are proteins that assist our bodies in fighting infections and diseases, making us more vulnerable to illnesses. Additionally, sleep deprivation affects our weight, as inadequate sleep leads to an increase in the hunger hormone ghrelin and a decrease in the hormone leptin, which signals fullness and causes overeating, weight gain, and an increased risk of obesity and type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, sleep deprivation has been linked to an increased risk of several chronic diseases, including heart disease, stroke, and diabetes, as it can lead to high blood pressure, inflammation, and insulin resistance, all of which are risk factors for these diseases. Finally, sleep is essential for optimal sexual health because it regulates hormones that impact sexual desire and function. Thus, it is crucial to prioritize sleep for your health. The amount of sleep required varies with age, lifestyle, and overall health, and most adults require 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to function at their best. Sleep deprivation can have severe consequences on our physical and mental health. It is critical to prioritize sleep and ensure that we receive adequate rest each night in order to function successfully. By understanding the dangers of sleep deprivation, we can make better choices and take care of our bodies and minds. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. We appreciate your time and hope you found it helpful and entertaining. For a greater appreciation to better serve you, we recommend more videos like this listed in the description down below. Until next time, take care.